Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper crane. You're going to need scissors and a piece of paper. First, what you're going to want to do is fold your piece of paper into a triangle. This is because during origami usually they use a square piece, so we're going to cut off the excess. So when you open up your piece of paper, it's now a square. You're going to turn it around and fold against and opposite the crease we just made. Make sure you push down your creases with your nails. Just makes it easier when you fold. So when you flip your piece of paper over, you're going to do the same thing and just make another crease. And opposite against the line you made. The other two were diagonal, these two are straight. So that when you pick it up, you should have something that looks like this with 4 flaps. So you're going to push each of those down so you have a diamond shape. Something to emphasize is that one end will be open and you want that facing you for this next part. You're going to fold one of the flaps into the middle and again on the other side so that they both meet in the middle. This is going to kind of make your paper look like a kite with 2 more flaps. That looks like that. You're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Something I noticed that helps me is if you fold the top both ways. Okay. So you're going to open those 2 flaps you just made, grab the end that's open and pull it up so that you can make a bigger diamond shape. Sometimes the paper with pattern on is a little firm, so don't be afraid to finesse it. Make sure you can get it to do what you need to do. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Like I said, sometimes it's pretty difficult, so don't be afraid to tell that paper what to do. Okay, now you have a longer diamond. What you make sure is that the part that moves like that is pointing towards you again. And just like we did, we're going to make another skinnier diamond by just folding it again, just like we did in the last step. And on the other side. Good. Okay, so what you should have now is a skinnier diamond that walks. And you're just going to pull that apart and fold it so that the diamonds you just folded are now inside, and you'll have 2 little horns on top. Fold the flaps you just made right on up on each side, and you'll now have 4 horns facing up. Like we just did, you're going to kind of shift the fold with your fingers, just like that. We just made the wings, and you're going to fold those down. You can pick whatever side you want to be the head. I usually pick the larger, bigger side so I can make a good beak. And then I stretch out the tail and the head so it looks a little bit more normal. And there you have it, a nice cute little crane. Thanks for watching.